To ensure a smooth trading experience on Robinhood and prevent future payment blocks, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you understand the best practices to maintain your account in good standing. Step 1. Maintain sufficient funds. Always ensure that you have enough funds in your account before making trades or withdrawals. Insufficient funds can lead to payment blocks. Step 2. Verify your identity. Complete all identity verification processes required by Robinhood. This includes providing necessary documentation and confirming your identity to avoid any compliance issues. Step 3. Monitor account activity. Regularly check your account for any unusual activity or transactions. Report any discrepancies immediately to Robinhood to prevent potential blocks. Step 4. Avoid frequent withdrawals. Limit the frequency of withdrawals from your account. Frequent transactions can raise red flags and lead to payment blocks, so plan your withdrawals carefully. Step 5. Stay informed on policies. Keep yourself updated on Robinhood's policies and guidelines regarding payments and trading. Understanding the rules can help you avoid actions that may trigger payment blocks. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your Robinhood account remains in good standing and free from payment blocks.